Alright, what's up guys? Happy Valentine's Day. We have a very special video today. We got the special Valentine's Day donuts from Krispy Kreme. And we're about to try it. This is Leia, if you guys haven't seen her yet. Laisha, she's my baby mama. So we're going to be trying out these Valentine's donuts here. I got them for her. I'm the best, right? So we got an assortment of donuts here. Okay. You see all these? Looks delicious. A dozen assorted donuts. This box is decorated very nice too. There's like a bunch of little phrases on here. I'm gonna read them out to you in a bit. And you could also put like to your lover or whoever you want to send to and from yourself. It says be sweet, be mine, XOXO, DM me. Bae, so extra, all the feels.
I love you so much.
Hey you.
Dreamy. Be mine.
And a bunch of other stuff. Roses are red, violets are blue. I love donuts, and these are for you.
Aww.
Nice. So we're honestly kind of full, but we're gonna try these donuts and let you know how it tastes and compare them to the glazed donuts. The decorations are very nice. This one says #1 fan for my #1 fans out there. #1 fan for all my fans out there. Which one does that say?
It says all the feels.
All the feels?
All the feels.
Be sweet. This one's my favorite. It says hi.
That one's funny because Dana actually texts like that.
Okay. Cheers. Let's see.
Cheers.
Mmm. Cream filling.
Oh, this one tastes like strawberry.
Strawberry? Mm-hmm. I don't know what this one tastes like. Does that one have cream filling?
Mm-mm. These are some good donuts. It tastes like the normal ones except thicker.
It tastes like glazed donut, but with like a cupcake type glaze on top.
Ooh,
just a
look at
cupcake.
that.
Oh, that's a strawberry glaze.
Strawberry.
Oh, pink glaze. I gotta try that.
It's
Mine's
delicious.
just regular white glaze.
It's strawberry flavor.
Mmm. It's very interesting. It's very sweet though. It's good. I've never tried this. Strawberry filling inside.
This is like whipped cream inside or something. That's what it tastes like. Fluffy.
It's the regular cream, I think. This one's really special, the pink one.
That one's good.
I think that's a Valentine's special.
You think the purple ones have purple filling?
Let's try it. Maybe we'll try. You try yellow and I'll try purple.
Okay.
I'll try #1 fan. Cheers.
That one has chocolate inside.
Chocolate? You ruined the surprise. Huh? Pretty good. Cupcake filling.
They do have cream filled ones, but I don't know if they have the strawberry one. I don't think they do. And I don't know if they have chocolate. They might have like creamy, like regular, like this one, like custard.
No.
It's custard.
Oh, that one's yellow custard.
Custard, yeah. This one's custard. It's different than the white one. This is like, oh, sorry. This is whipped cream, like light, and this is like custard.
Try this one. This tastes like
Your lips are all.
what's that custard? Oh my god. What's that dessert that has a custard?
Creme brulee. Creme brulee?
Nice creamy custard with yellow glaze on the outside. Chocolate is not my favorite filling, so I'm gonna have to skip this one.
I wish we had milk.
But yeah,
Milk.
I think I'm done with the sweets because I'm very full. And these ones are...
They're just regular.
They're like regular glazed donuts with...
Sprinkles.
Sprinkles for Valentine's. Leia will try these for you guys.
Okay.
She's not as full as me. I just had all you could eat sushi. And fettuccine alfredo.
This one does not taste like the regular glaze at all. But it's good.
No? It doesn't taste like the glaze? Isn't it glaze on the outside?
Yeah, but something about it doesn't taste like the normal donut.
Yeah,
It's really good though.
Yeah, the chocolate is very overpowering. But yeah, guys. Happy Valentine's Day. Palantines and Galentines. Till next time. What?
You have a giant strawberry piece on your teeth.
Wow. Bye-bye.
Bye.